Okay, let's watch this video in real time, and we can see that it looks like she's being kind of aggressive and going after the ball, and that looks pretty good. And we're going to break it down in FCT and see what we can see when we slow it down and see what we can get out of it. Okay, let's watch right here. Let's break it down, and here comes the forehand, and we can see that she's moving her feet right there, and we can see that the ball is kind of a little bit past the service line. It's kind of short, and she's moving up to the ball. But you see, she doesn't move up enough and get up and around. She's waiting for the ball. Right there, she's waiting for the ball. She stopped moving her feet, and she's waiting for the ball to come to her instead of her going after the ball. And she still transfers her energy forward, but she's not moving her legs up and through the ball enough to be as aggressive as she possibly could. It's all about footwork and moving up and around and through the ball. And here again, watch. She's moving back, but she doesn't move up to the ball. She still is going after the ball, trying to be aggressive, and you can see that she's pushing her legs forward and coming through the ball. But let's watch her swing. See how her racket right here falls, and you see how it pancakes open instead of just symmetrically taking it up and back and dropping it. And she gets a little too far back right here with her backswing, and you can see her racket right there. It's a little too far back, and she ends up kind of arming the ball a little bit. See how her hands get tucked in there, and so she's arming the ball a little bit, and she's going to lose power with that, and she still hits a pretty good shot, but that's just trying to be more and more efficient. If you want to move up in the game, you got to be as efficient as possible with your swings and be moving up and not just moving back like she is here and waiting for the ball. So there she really goes back and doesn't get her legs forward, and she's waiting, and she has to just kind of jerk off the ball a little bit and hits a very defensive ball. And not a bad ball, but if you want to get to the next level, you got to get your feet going up and forward and through the ball every shot.